Okay. This is another piece from the 90s. From I think my first journal, it was 93. Right. It's called Insomnia. I can't stop my jaw from clenching. I am struggling not to blow it. I want to make it through this night. This is torture that you could never imagine. I'm far away. Don't think I could ever come back. Just fall farther and farther. I am a damaged 24/7, 365 self-inflicted alien freakout machine with an urge to break things. I break myself apart all the time. I am so disgusted with this. I am such a mess. There's another small, very small one-liner on the trigger. Let's see. All right, there it is. This has nothing to do with the one I just read. I have a sprained face. It is a result of cracks in my mind, caused by minor and major earthquake thoughts.